The 12-step carpet cleaning process. Step 1. Pre-inspection. Our technician will do a walkthrough inspection with you to identify soiling conditions, carpet construction, and potential permanent stains. Step 2. Pre-vacuum. Your carpet is pre-vacuumed with a commercial vacuum to remove bonded, insoluble dry soil. Step 3. Furniture moving. Sofas, chairs, and tables will be carefully moved. Larger pieces, such as beds and dressers, are left in place under our regular pricing structure. Furniture will be protected with disposable blocks and tabs. Step 4. Pre-spot. Certain spots are pre-treated for maximum removal. Step 5. Pre-spray. Traffic areas are pre-treated with a biodegradable traffic lane treatment. Step 6. Pre-groom. Your carpet will be pre-groomed with a carpet groomer or rotary cleaning machine, depending on soil level, to further loosen traffic area soil. Step 7. Extract and rinse. Once the soil has been loosened, our state-of-the-art truck-mounted hot water extraction cleaning process will thoroughly flush the carpet pile. Pressure and heat are regulated to prevent the carpet from being over-wet. Step 8. Neutralizer. The pH is balanced on every carpet and fabric cleaned. It is accomplished during the extract and rinse process, or a post-spray will be applied. Step 9. Post-spot treatment. If any spots are not removed during the cleaning process, specialty spotting techniques are employed. Please note, any potential permanent stains as identified by the technician may not be removed. Step 10. Post-groom. The carpet pile is set in one direction to aid the drying process. Step 11. Speed dry. High-velocity air movers are placed on the carpet to lessen the drying time. Step 12. Post-cleaning inspection. Our technician will walk through your home with you to point out the cleaning results and make sure that you are completely thrilled with the job.